for 15 euros, please.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
What is your favorite color?
Green.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you? How are you?
In math, fine, thank you.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course. I want to the red book.
Which book do you want to read?
Extra fun too.
Okay, are you ready?
Thank you.
It is 400 euros.
Here you are the
Thank you.
bye.
Hello, want to play?
I know that. We can play basketball.
Okay, I can kill my friend.
Hello, what are you? Me, don't you can me?
Yes, we do.
You can me too.
Do you want to play basketball?
It is a good idea.
Yes, is good. I'm hungry and want pizza.
Don't worry. I have got pizza at home.
Perfect.
Let's play basketball and eat pizza.
As you saw. Bye.
Bye.
Go!
Hello. Apple, please.
I haven't got apples. Have got pears.
One pay.
Here you are.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Hello, what do you want to buy? We want a ball.
Okay, a blue ball or red ball. Green ball.
Blue, please.
5 euros, please.
Here.
Thanks you for coming. Bye.
Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm hungry. I want to eat pizza.
Do you want one apple?
No, I want pizza. Don't worry. What did you want?
Want to read a book?
Which book do you want to read?
The pupil's book.
I haven't got the pupils book. I have got the activity book.
Okay, give me the activity book. Want to read the activity for in the page 20.
Here you are. 300 euros.
Here you are. Thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Hello, how are you?
I'm happy.
I'm hungry.
Do you want